Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 21. So let us, in the previous video, we have answered for practice paper number 20. Now let us answer practice paper number 21, part A, physics. So the first question is, the speed of light in air is dash. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, 2.5 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, 3.5 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So the right answer for this question is option A, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So now let us move for the second question, that is the length formula is. So the length formula is 1 over f is equal to 1 over v plus 1 over u. 1 over f is equal to 1 over v into 1 over u. 1 over f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. 1 over f is equal to 1 over u, 1 over v divided by 1 over u. Among these four options, so the right option is 1 over f is equal to option C, 1 over f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. So this is the length formula. So now let us move for the second question. Third question. Define aperture of a mirror. So we have to define what is meant by aperture of a mirror. So the diameter of a spherical mirror, is called aperture. So this is third question. Now let us move for the fourth question, third main. So the first question of third main is define one diopter. Then the speed of light in transparent medium is 0.62 times that of its speed in vacuum. What is the refractive index of the medium? So we have to calculate the refractive index. First let us answer define one diopter. If the power of the lens is if the focal length of the lens is if the focal length of a lens is 1 meter, then power is said to be 1 diopter. So P is equal to 1 by F. Next, now let us move for the next question, that is B. The speed of light in transparent medium is, so speed of light in transparent medium they have given. So V is equal to, it is 0.6 times that of speed in vacuum. So velocity of or speed of light in medium is 0.6 times that of speed in vacuum. So V is given as 0.6 C. Then we have to calculate the refractive index. So refractive index is equal to, so C by V, that is equal to C divided by V. V is 0.6 C. C get cancelled. So refractive index is equal to 1 by 0.6, which is equal to 10 by 6. So we have to write it as 10 by 0.6. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 0 ಹಾಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 10 by 6 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 6 1s are 6 point, then 4 remaining, 6 6s are 36, then again 4 remaining, again 6 6s. So refractive index is 1.66. So like this we have to calculate the refractive index of the medium. Now let us move for question number 5. Question number 5. The refractive indices of four medium A, B, C and D are given in the following table. Medium A, B, C, D. So refractive index are given. If light travels from one medium to another medium, in which case the change in speed will be minimum and the change in speed will be maximum. So by observing the refractive index we have to decide. So for this one the concept is refractive index is inversely proportional to speed. That means as the refractive index increases, speed decreases. As the refractive index decreases, speed increases. So four medium given A, B, C and D. So refractive index of A 1.33, 1.50, then 1.52, then 2.40. So in which medium the speed of the light will be minimum. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮೀಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ in medium D the speed of light is minimum because refractive index is more. Then in which medium does the speed of light is maximum? The speed of light is maximum in A because the refractive index of A is less when compared to the remaining. Therefore in medium A the speed of the light is maximum. So like this, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ when the object is kept between F1 and optical center. With the help of the diagram, mention the nature of the image formed. So convex lens yavaga andre when the object is kept between F1 and optical center. So now let us draw a ray diagram for this one. So this is a convex lens. So now let us draw the principal axis. So this is the principal axis. So this is optic center, this is F1 and this is F2. So this is 2F1 and here it is 2F2. Now where does the object should this is 2F2. Where should be the object kept between optic center and F1? So here we are keeping the object. So object now illirana. So when the object is kept between optic center and F1, then where let us see where the image is formed. So the light ray which is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through F, that is principal focus, but in this case the light ray tends to move in this direction. The light ray tends to move in this direction. So light ray e directional move agutte. Next, the light ray which passes through optic center, it moves in a straight path, but in this case so straight path alli move agbeku, but the object tends to move in this direction. It moves like this. So where the two light rays join, there the image is formed. So here the image is formed. This is A dash and this is B dash and this is A and this is B. So where the object is kept, that side only image is formed. So now let us write the nature of the image. So image formed here. So image is, it is virtual and erect. Virtual erect. Position ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so image is formed that is behind 2F1 and here it is enlarged image. We are getting enlarged image. Size of the image is enlarged. So this is the ray diagram for 6th question. Now let us move for the 7th question. So in the 7th question they have given one question, that is object distance and image distance of the lenses are 30 minus 30 centimeter and minus 10 centimeter. Find the magnification, focal length of lens used and nature of the image. So now let us answer this question now. So let us answer seventh question. So in the data they have given object distance is equal to minus 30 centimeter and image distance is equal to minus 10 centimeter. So we have to find out the magnification. First let us find out the magnification and let us find out the focal length also. So lens anta bandaga m magnification is equal to v by u. So m is equal to v, that is minus 30 divided by minus 10. Minus minus cancel, m is equal to 10 ones are 10 threes. So plus 3 plus 3, not unit, no unit. So magnification is equal to plus 3 bantu. Next then focal length we have to find out. So 1 over f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. So 1 over f is equal to 1 over minus 10 minus 1 over minus 30. 1 over f is equal to minus 1 by 10. Minus by minus is plus 1 by 30. So now 1 over f is equal to, now let us take the LCM for 10 and 30. 2 5s are 2 15s. 5 1s are 5 3s. Then 3 ones. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM. So 10 3s are 31s. So 1 over f is equal to minus 2 divided by 30. So 2 ones are 2 15s. So 1 over f is equal to minus 1 divided by 15. So f is equal to minus, reciprocal is f and reciprocal is, it is minus 15 centimeter. Since here minus we got, it is a ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, they asked about the nature of the image. So image is virtual, because in concave lens always the image formed will be virtual and erect, and size of the image is diminished sized image is formed. So like this we have to solve question number that is 7. That by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to practice paper number part A physics of practice paper number 21. Now let us move for part B chemistry. So let us see what is the that is fifth main 8th question. Let us see what is the question related to 8th one. So the first question of chemistry is, the liquid non-metal is oxygen, bromine, carbon, nitrogen. So liquid non-metal anta bandaga, that is bromine is the right answer. So for the 8th question the option is B, that is bromine. Now let us move for question number 9. So question number 9 is, among the following the reducing agent is carbon, copper, iron, silver. Among these 4 options, so carbon is a good reducing agent. So for 9th one, option A, carbon. Now let us move for the 6th main, that is 10th question. The 10th question is, what is anodizing? So what is meant by anodizing? The process of formation of thick oxide layer on aluminium is called as anodizing. Now let us move for question number that is 12. Why aluminium hydroxide is not formed when aluminium reacts with water? So let us answer this question. So sorry, we have to go for 11th one. So write equation for reaction of aluminium and iron with steam. So let us answer this one. So first one, that is in that one, aluminium when it reacts with steam. So aluminium with steam. So let us answer here now. So that is aluminium with this one, 2Al plus 3H2O, that is steam. It will give rise to Al2O3 plus 3H2. So 2Al, Al2, O3, O3, then 3H2, 3H2 liberated. So aluminium reacts with steam to form aluminium oxide. Next, second one, iron with steam. Iron with steam. So iron with steam, 3Fe plus 4H2O give rise to 3Fe3O4, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So this is reaction of iron with steam. So now let us move for question number 12. Why aluminium hydroxide is not formed when aluminium reacts with water? So let us answer this question. Question number 12. So because because aluminium aluminium reacts with air to form aluminium to form aluminium oxide layer this layer will prevent further reaction. Therefore aluminium will not react with water. So now let us move for question number 13. That is, most metals give rise to basic oxides. Explain an experiment to support this statement. So now let us answer this question now. So take a magnesium ribbon. Clean it with a sandpaper. And burn it. Magnesium burns in air to form a magnesium oxide. So 2Mg plus O2 give rise to 2MgO. Magnesium oxide, which is a white powder, when put into water, it forms magnesium hydroxide. So MgO plus H2O give rise to MgOH taken twice. Now bring Now bring a red litmus paper. Now bring a red litmus paper and dip in magnesium hydroxide solution. The red litmus paper, the red litmus changes to blue, which indicates that magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Is basic in nature. So that means metallic oxides are basic in nature. Now let us move for question number 14. Explain the extraction of zinc from zinc carbonate. So now let us move for question number 14 now. So this is the last question of chemistry part. So now explain the extraction of zinc from zinc carbonate. Step number 1. In step number 1, that is concentration of ore, that is removal of ganj particles from ore is called as concentration of ore. Next, step number 2, ore is heated in absence of oxygen to convert carbonate ore into oxide ore. So ZnCO3 give rise to, that means it undergoes calcination. Ore heated in ore is heated in absence of oxygen, that is calcination, to form ZnO plus CO2. This is step number 2. Now let us move for step number 3. So in step number 3, by using reducing agent, oxide ore of metal is converted into metal. So ZnO plus C give rise to Zn plus CO. So this here it is called crude metal. That means it is not 100% pure. 100% pure ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು crude metal ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Now let us move for part C, biology. So 15th question, that is part C, biology. The process in which zygote gets implanted on the walls of the uterus is called gestation period, fertilization, pollination, and implantation. Among these four, the right answer is option D, implantation. So 15th one, option D, implantation. Next, let us move for question number 16. So question number 16 is the process by which an organism each cell splits into many cells is called binary fission, multiple fission, fragmentation, regeneration. So among these four options, the right answer is multiple fission. So option B, multiple fission. Now let us move for question number 10th main, question number 17. What is fragmentation? A type of asexual reproduction, a type of asexual reproduction in which a plant body after maturation get divided into many pieces. Each piece is called fragments, which grows as an individual. Now let us move for 11th main, question number 18. So question number 18 is, that is, what is fission? Differentiate between binary fission and multiple fission. So let us answer this question now. So what is fission? So what is meant by fission? A type of asexual reproduction, in which body is divided into two or more, and each part grows into a new individual. This is A question. In that one, B question is there, that is, differentiate between binary fission and multiple fission. So the first difference between binary fission and multiple fission is a body is divided into two new individual. A body is divided into two or more new individual. This is the first one. Second one, it cannot takes place during unfavorable condition. It can takes place even in unfavorable condition. Then example for binary fission is amoeba, leishmania. Then example for multiple fission is plasmodium. Example for multiple fission, we can take it as plasmodium is an example for multiple fission. Now let us move for question number 19. Reproduction is one of the most important characteristics in living beings. Give reason in support of the statement. So now let us answer this question. So first is, Reproduction is important because it helps to transfer, transfer character or traits from parents to offspring. This is the first one. Then second one, it leads to variation. It leads to variation. Then it helps in it helps to get evolution. So these are the 3 points that you have to write regarding this question. Now let us move for the next question. Explain the significant function of each structure in human male reproductive system. So now let us answer this question now. So the first part of this is testis. It is the male reproductive part. It secretes a hormone called testosterone, which is responsible for secondary sexual character in male. A pair of testes will produce sperms. Then the second one is called as the second part of the is called as scrotum. The function of the scrotum is it holds the testes. Then the third one is called vas deferens. A tube-like structure. Vas deferens is a tube-like structure which carries sperms from testes to associate gland. So there are two associative gland. One is called seminal vesicle gland. It helps in movement of sperms. Then the second gland is called prostate gland. It helps in movement of sperms. This is the first one. Second one is it nourishes the sperms. So the next one is urethra. It is the common passage. common passage for both urine and sperm. Next, penis, a muscular part around urethra, a muscular part around urethra when get erect will ejaculate sperms into the vagina during sexual intercourse. So now let us move for the 13th main, and this is the last question. So 21st A, let us see. The first question is, what happens? First question, planaria gets cut into two pieces. A matured spirogyra filament attains considerable length. On maturation, sporangia burst. So let us answer this question now. So in that first question is, planaria gets cut into two pieces. So each piece will grows into a new individual. In that second question is there, a matured spirogyra filament attains considerable length. When it gets considerable length, mother body gets cut into many fragments, and each fragment grows into a new individual. So in that one, third question is there, that is, what happens when sporangia, on maturation, sporangia burst. So when sporangia burst, so what will happen? So when sporangia burst, when sporangia burst, spores will comes out, and each spore grows into a new individual. So this is what we have to answer for question number 21. By this, we have successfully answered all the questions related to practice paper number 21. So in the next video, we are going to answer for practice paper number 22. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.